Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying requirements. TPM2. 0. Secure boot enabled and sufficient RAM and storage. Once that's confirmed, back up critical files and create a system image so you can recover if needed. Next, download the official Windows 11 Installation Assistant or the ISO. Choose Assistant for an automatic upgrade or ISO for a custom clean install. This step starts the process, so make sure your device is plugged in and you have a stable internet connection before proceeding. You now execute the installer. Run the Installation Assistant for an in-place upgrade or create a bootable USB from the ISO for a clean install. During setup, accept the license, pick the target partition, and decide between a Microsoft account or a local account. Choose custom partitions only if you understand disk layout. Make sure drivers are available and you have at least 20 GB free. Once done, allow the installer to copy files and restart several times while it configures system components. You finish by completing the out-of-box experience. Set region, privacy, and initial app preferences, then let Windows Update fetch drivers and patches. After login, reinstall applications and restore your backed up files and verify hardware in Device Manager. Update any driver that shows issues. If something goes wrong, use recovery options. Roll back to your previous Windows within the allowed window, run startup repair, or reinstall using the USB ISO. One key tip: keep the system image until you confirm everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.